welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Taylor and today I'm filming a video that I've been waiting to film for probably 3 weeks now. This package took a hot minute to get here. I think it got lost at some point and I was really looking forward to this. And what I'm talking about is obviously what you see in the title, and that is the BOOHOO famous oversized joggers. This is our little packaging, and when I saw this puppy I was like, yes! Finally, I need these sweatpants, these oversized joggers to look super cute this summer. Before I truly dive into this exciting and tea-spilling video, please go follow my Instagram. It is at simplytaylorb, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It is much appreciated. Okay, now let's just dive in. I ordered these sweatpants, joggers, whatever you want to call them. I ordered these about a month ago, maybe the beginning of June. I can't really remember, and the reason why I ordered them is because they're literally blowing up on the internet. Every time I would log into the BOOHOO website, they would always be sold out. I will leave the link below, and they'll probably be sold out. You guys probably won't be able to get your hands on these because it seems like they're always sold out. And one day I just happened to refresh the page and noticed that almost every color was available in my size. I also follow Julia Havens on basically every social media platform, and she always raves about these joggers. I have mentioned her many times before because she's a huge style inspiration of mine, and she raves about these joggers. So I had to get my hands on them, and when I saw that they were available in 3 colors in my size and they were on sale, I was like, yes, add to basket. Originally, I believe these sweatpants are around $30 and they were on sale for like $12. Shipping cost $10, but I was like, you know what? It's worth it if these things are really great, and they seem to be really great. And then they arrived in the mail, and I was curious if I ordered the wrong thing. Before making this video and going off on a little bit of a rant, I did my research beforehand to make sure I ordered the exact ones that I've been seeing on people's like to know it page, and every time I would click on that sweatpant, it would bring me to the link where I bought these sweatpants. Even the pictures of the models wearing them, you guys can look yourself. They look like pretty quality joggers. And then to dive even deeper, I clicked on some of Julia's pictures and everybody commenting that they ordered the same ones and that they're nothing like the pictures that she's posting. No shame on her, because I bet you at some point these joggers were great and then maybe they got oversold and then made their quality a little bit worse. But this is what came in the mail. I got 3 pairs, and honestly, from a distance and on camera, they don't look that bad. The first pair that I opened up were these. And really, honestly, on camera, they look pretty great. I love like the style of the bottom ankle part, but when I took them out, they're literally, you might be able to tell exactly what they feel like by just seeing the image of what the texture is. These are not soft whatsoever, and they are very see-through, which, like, who wants that with sweatpants? The one thing you want is comfort and having it look cute. So the beige ones were the first ones that I opened, and immediately I was like, no, I think I got the wrong ones. I definitely ordered the right ones, but they clearly don't make them the same. And I haven't seen any videos on YouTube talking about what these sweatpants are really like. If anything, I've looked up BOOHOO hauls and like everyone raves about the quality. If anything, when you look up BOOHOO haul, a lot of people have these joggers and they honestly look pretty great, especially when people try them on. They look normal. They're see-through a little bit there. I can see my underwear even though I tried to wear nude underwear. Another thing is that they're not really oversized. I feel like I look like a square, but they really aren't oversized, and I do usually wear a size small, and I just feel like I look super square and I'm just not about it. So I thought to myself, okay, maybe it's just the beige ones, maybe like I've seen Julia wear the gray ones all the time, so let me take out the gray ones that I bought. I take these out and I'm like, okay, same type of quality on the inside, not really that soft, but maybe that's not why people rave about them. Maybe people rave about them because they look good on, you never know. So I gave them the shot, I tried them on, and you can literally tell these look so awkward on me. Maybe it's my body shape, I'm not sure. They're not looking too great, and they're not looking that soft and thick like other people's pictures look. I'm gonna have to say it's a no for the gray too. The black, maybe not as, at first I was saying should I keep the black because the outside is actually pretty soft, but they fit like the gray ones. It just looks weird on me. I don't know what it is. I am obviously a little bit thrown off by the quality and how they fit because I was really looking forward to these, and since they're always sold out, you would think that they're really great. I am not coming at Boohoo. This is nothing against their company or anything. I honestly think maybe I got a bad batch, but I have seen these joggers look really nice on people and look thick and comfortable. Initially, what I thought I was purchasing was something similar to a pair of joggers that I purchased from ASOS. These are so comfortable, amazing quality, and pretty thick. They're not see-through, and obviously when I'm purchasing anything oversized or joggers or sweatpants, all I'm looking for is comfort, and these really aren't that comfortable. Even the sweatpants that I'm wearing right now, they're from TJ Maxx, and I'm pretty sure these were $12 as well, and I obviously didn't have to pay for shipping, so I'm definitely disappointed. I'm going to give Boohoo another shot. I actually ordered something from them pretty recently, and from what I've seen, a lot of people really rave about them and really love them. So I am really upset and, you know, wish these were different and wish these were a little bit better looking on my body type. I looked up the return policy for Boohoo, and it's $4 to ship them back, which I might do because maybe I want the good ones. I feel like I had to film this video because I have been seeing a lot of people comment on, you know, people's pictures that have ordered these, and I have seen YouTube videos where they actually look like good joggers, and you know, maybe it's just one of those things where some people get good ones, some people get bad ones. That's a risk that I guess you have to take. This was something that I was really looking forward to when I was constantly refreshing the page on my phone to get my hands on. Oh, why the ring light just like flickered. If you guys know of any joggers or sweatpants that are really good quality and maybe not on the pricier side, let me know in the comments down below if you know like the type of style that I'm going for. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you might be interested in buying these joggers yourself. So let's share in the comments down below and give everybody maybe a better pair of sweatpants to purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and maybe got something out of it before you do make a purchase. Let me know if you guys like these types of videos. I know my gift guides have been doing really well, but any like review style video, I am probably going to do another haul very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and again, thank you so much for the support. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.